सी वोटिंग राईट म्हणजे आमच्या संविधानान एक आमकां हक दिला की जसो सरकार तुमकां जाय, जशे तुमचे इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह जाय ते तुमच्यान वायजली चिंतून आमकां कोण बरो रिप्रेझेंटेशन करतलो, आमचे जे इश्यूज आसा ते कोण व्हरतलो, कोण आवाज उखलतलो, हो एक चान्स आमच्या संविधानान आमकां दिला. आनी म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यांनी भायर येवन वोट करपाक जाय. कित्याक घरानूच बसून सरकाराक क्रिटिसायज केल्ले सारखे न्ही. जेन्ना तूं तुजो हक संविधाना प्रमाणे वोटिंग डे दीस तुजो रायट एक्झिक्यूट करता, वोट करता, तेन्ना तुका एक हक आसता, हय म्हज्यान हें करूंक जाता, हें सरकार करता तें रायट, हें सरकार करता तें रॉंग, हें तुका एक अधिकार दिल्लो आसा. सो आनी सपोज तुमकां कोण बरो लागना जाल्यार दुसरें ऑप्शन दिल्लें आसा. सो वो सगळ्या लोकांक हांव अपील करता, आयज यात, बडे संख्येन यात आनी आपणाचो वोट मारात.
तुमकां कितें दिसता कितली पर्संटेज वोटिंग जातली? बिकॉज नॉर्मल लोकसभेक वोटिंग जायना, सो तुमी लोकां कडेन फिरल्या. वोटिंग कशी जातली?
वॉट यू थिंक? म्हाका दिसता देर विल बी अ हाय पर्संटेज ऑफ वोट्स बिकॉज लोकांक खूब हुस्को जाल्लो आसा. सो म्हाका दिसता इट वील क्रॉस 70% फॉर शुअर. नाल्यार सदां लोकसभाक मातसो लो आसता, बट दिस टायम देर विल बी मच मोर. वी आर होपिंग इट विल टच 80%. That will be a larger participation of the people in the democratic exercise.
Captain, what is the reason? Because voting third
पळय खुबशे इश्यूज आसा. This time in Goa there is so much एक हें जाल्लो आसा. This is the last chance for us to save Goa. जशे इश्यूज आसा, जशे सगळे गोंयभर लोक ट्राय करता गोंय सेव्ह करपाक, आमचे पर्यावरण जावं आमचे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, खुबशे इश्यूज आसा. म्हाका दिसता लोक सगळे भायर येतले आयज.
Captain, till yesterday campaigning was being done. You have moved around all of the constituencies. Today, the actual voting day, initial turnout, number of voters moving out. How do you feel today after you cast your vote?
Yesterday we did not campaign. Day before, म्हाका दिसता around 1:30 though we had time till 5 o'clock, but at around 1 o'clock we were told by the party leadership, please stop campaigning. You know, and Kal, sadly, we felt very sad that in certain parts, I know in my constituency, New Wade, money was distributed with police escort. I will put a charge on the police and the election commission. सगळे कोण police involved आशिल्ले तांचे पासून म्हजे कडेन proof आसा. I will expose these people. This is murder of democracy. This is why election commission ते निंबू पाणी आणि कितें दिवचे सोदर हांकां धरपाक जाय. This is abuse of the democratic process. This is not good. Influencing voters.
What do you think about doubling?
Doubling, we are definitely going to take a lead. That is a positive sign what we have got from the people.
So money power, muscle power will not work.
See, जितले पैसे ह्या फावट तांणी घाल्या, Congress of course didn't have money, freeze केल्ले सगळे, no problem. But जितले पैसे घाल्यात टू इन्फ्लुएन्स, ते पैसे तर गरीब लोकांक दिल्ले, भुरग्यांची फीस फारीक करपाक, नाल्यार लोकांचे लोन आसा, ट्रक ड्रायव्हर, मोटरसायकल पायलट, टॅक्सी. It would have helped. Influencing voters is not good. This is the election commission. There is a doubt of the people against election commission because they don't crack down. They don't curb such practices.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, and all the very best.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Morning, sir.